Hi everyone, I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to use the graphing tool on XYZ. So when you go to graph a function on XYZ, you have two options down here. The first option, you can see there's two red dots, and the two red dots appear at the maximum and at the minimum. So if I want to graph a sine or a cosine function based on the maximum and minimum, I would choose this button here. The second option is graphing a point on the midline and then the maximum point. So for 2 sine x, that's the mother function sine, but it's stretched out by a factor of 2. So I know my max is going to be 2 and my min is going to be -2. So I'm going to use the max min option. I'm going to click on this. And then I know I start at 0, 0 for sine, and at pi over 2 I hit my max. So I'm going to come over to pi over 2 and hit my max at pi over 2, 2. And then I know at 3 pi over 2 I hit my min at -2. So I'm going to choose that there. And then I can hit submit. I'm not going to worry about these. Those I'm sure you know how to do. I just want to show you how to use the graphing tool. I'm going to hit submit. And I'm going to check to make sure I've got it right. And if it's highlighted in green, that means we got it right. Now, if I want to use the other option, let's try another example. I have 2 cosine x. So this is the mother function cosine stretched out by a factor of 2. So if I want to graph cosine, a point on the midline or the x-intercept, and then a max, I know that. I'm going to click this button here. And then I know that cosine is going to hit the x-axis at pi over 2. That's when it's 0, so I'm going to click that. And then it reaches its max at x equals 0 and y equals 2, because it's stretched out by a factor of 2. And then I'm going to hit submit, and I can check to see if I got it right. And since it's in green, I've got it highlighted. So you can choose this button if you want to graph based on the min and max values, and you can choose this button if you want to pick a point on the midline and then a maximum value.